In this video, I'll show you how to use a wire transfer in the Robinhood app step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your account menu. Then tap on Transfers to view all funding options. Next, select Wire Transfer. Here you'll see the details you need to send money into your account, including the bank name, routing number, and your unique account number. Copy or note down this information carefully. Now, go to your bank's app or website and start a new wire transfer. Enter the details exactly as shown in your Robinhood app, including your name and account number in the memo or reference field so the transfer is credited correctly. Choose the amount you want to send and confirm the transfer from your bank. Once the wire is sent, it usually arrives the same day or within one business day. You can track the status by going back to the Transfers section in the app. If you need help, you can contact support directly from the app for assistance. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.